Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix extract audio in CapCut. If you're running into an issue where CapCut won't let you properly extract audio, this quick workaround can help refresh the audio clip so the extract option works again. We'll keep it simple and walk through the process clearly from start to finish. First, open the CapCut app and make sure you're on the main editing screen. Once CapCut is fully loaded, go ahead and open your sample project. This is the project where you're having the audio extraction issue. After the project opens, give yourself a moment to locate the audio track on the timeline so you can work on the correct clip. Next, right-click on the sample audio. This should open the context menu for that audio clip. In that menu, click on Copy. What this does is create a duplicate reference of the same audio, which can help when the original clip is not behaving as expected. It's a simple action, but it can be useful for resetting the clip without needing to import the media again. After copying the audio, delete the current audio clip from the timeline. Be careful here to remove only the audio you copied, especially if your project contains multiple tracks or layers. The goal is to clear the problematic version of the clip while keeping the copied version ready to bring back. Once the audio has been removed, paste the audio back into the project. This effectively places a fresh version of that same clip onto the timeline. In many cases, this helps resolve the issue because CapCut now treats the audio as a newly placed item rather than the original one that may have been stuck or glitched. After pasting the audio back in, you should now be able to extract it successfully. At this point, try the extract audio action again and check whether the option works normally. If needed, make sure the audio clip is selected before attempting the extraction so CapCut applies the command to the correct item. This method is quick, doesn't require redoing your whole project, and can be especially helpful when a single audio clip is causing trouble. If you're working on an important edit, it's also a good idea to save your project before making changes like deleting and pasting clips, just to avoid losing progress. And that's it. By opening the project, copying the audio, deleting it, pasting it back, and then extracting it again, you can often fix the extract audio issue in CapCut and continue editing without interruption.